Welcome to the Tech Pro Max channel. According to internal Apple documentation, a new 35-watt dual USB-C adapter may be available for sale very soon. After publication, the document was immediately removed. Therefore, until recently, it is not clear when exactly the adapter will go on sale. It is possible that Apple could change its mind about releasing such an accessory, and we will never see it at all. 35 watts of power is enough to charge iPhone and Apple Watch, or, for example, two smartphones, but one will charge more slowly. And what do you think about it? Write in the comments. And that's all for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!